Thinking of replacing your bathtub with a shower? Hold on a second, there are a few things you might want to consider first. First up, losing that bathtub means giving up long, relaxing soaks. Showers are great, but they don't quite match the comfort of lying in a warm bath after a long day. Next, think about kids and pets. Bathing small children or washing your dog is much easier in a tub. A shower might not offer the same level of control and convenience. And don't forget about resale value. If your area attracts families or young couples, taking out the only bathtub could lower your home's appeal. Always consider the local market before making big changes. Space is another biggie. Make sure your bathroom can handle a larger shower without feeling cramped. Sometimes the space just isn't right for a shower-only setup. And let's talk costs. Replacing a bathtub with a shower can be pricey. Make sure your budget can handle the remodel. Now ask yourself some important questions. Why are you really doing this renovation? Is it a trend or something you genuinely need? Will the local building code support your decision? Check with your municipality to ensure compliance. And lastly, could smaller changes make a difference? Sometimes adding better storage or reorganizing can achieve your goals without a full remodel. If you still want to go ahead, consider getting expert help. Southern Oak Home Renovation can provide cost estimates and design plans tailored to your needs. Contact them at 404-806-4712 if you're in Atlanta, Georgia. Think carefully and make the best decision for your home. Thanks for watching.